Oh, figured I'd get the battery charged up in this thing. See if it'll start. Oh wait, shit. That's neutral. Let's see if the hood will open. It's been sitting about a month, and as you can see, we've had tons and tons of snow. I don't think we're gonna get this hood open, but we'll see. Oh, something's happening. Boy, shit. Cool. Let's see if there's oil in it. I think there is. Ooh, she's full. Kind of dark, but full. Come on. Take the snow off of there. There we go. Choke doesn't work on this thing, so assuming it'll run. It won't start that easy. It's like 300 RPM. Oil pressure is good. That temp gauge doesn't work, so I have one down there. She's cold. It's been about a month. Let's see if we get that hood back open. Not sure why I closed it. Oh yeah. Oh, some snow fell. Hopefully soon I'll get this thing. Oh! She doesn't want to be opened. Studebaker. Hopefully someday soon this snow will go away and we'll go for a rip. Got a new quarter for this side. Haven't done it yet. Did the other side. Lumpy. Cold still. Anyway, I'll just let it sit here and run for a little while. Get the temps up. Thanks for watching, guys. Got a little bit of temperature in it. Not really expecting it to get too much higher than that. We're at about 500, 600 RPM. In the warm weather, like spring, summer, usually does 750, 800. stay right there. In the warm weather, it runs like 160, 170, but I'm not even sure if there's a thermostat in here. Never had to check, so never did.